lovely, happy, obedient. Husky swimming. He thinks he's a crocodile every time getting into the pool. Other dogs when sleeping. Cute, cuter, and cuter. Husky when sleeping.
Huh?
Husky was born to be a comedian, right? When border collie's leash getting stuck. When husky's leash getting stuck. Other dogs waking their owners up. Warm, gentle, and sweet. Husky waking up his owner, who dares to go to sleep again. Dogs reacting when being kicked out of the house by their owners.
Bye.
Stepping on a dog's foot on purpose and see their reaction. Other dogs being sad, pitiful, cuddling. Except for Husky, have you ever seen a dog cry that's super funny like this? Other pets seeing durian, get fainted, cover their nose, vomit.
Oh no!
Husky seeing durian, between chicken thighs and durian, I choose durian for sure.
Damn!
Gold. Of course this is just an entertaining video, don't be too serious. And don't forget to like and share this video to spread the happy virus to those around you. Thank you and see you again.